Welcome to Housekeeping Master. Today, we are looking at a piece of kitchen tech that sounds almost too good to be true. We have all been there. You are living in a dorm, an office, or an RV, and the only cooking tool you have at your disposal is a microwave. Usually, that means soggy leftovers or sad, steamed meals. But what if I told you that you could get actual, legitimate grill marks on a steak, right inside your microwave, in under 5 minutes? This is the microwave grill pan, and it claims to be a total game changer for small space cooking. Let us dive into the specs and see if it really holds up to the hype. The core technology here is a proprietary high-heat grill system. It uses an aluminized steel heating plate that reaches temperatures over 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Instead of just vibrating the water molecules in your food to create steam, this plate converts microwave energy into direct heat. This is the secret sauce. It provides actual searing power, allowing you to achieve crispy textures and browned edges that we normally associate with a heavy iron skillet on a stovetop. Beyond just grilling, this is marketed as a 5-in-1 multi-cooker. You can bake, fry, steam, and braise with it. With a 7.8-inch by 7.8-inch surface and a 900 milliliter capacity, it is surprisingly versatile. Whether you are throwing in some bacon for breakfast, searing a piece of steak for dinner, or even steaming some veggies, it handles a wide variety of tasks. The build quality is another area where this shines. The interior is coated with a high-performance PTFE nonstick surface. It can withstand temperatures ranging from 356 up to 482 degrees Fahrenheit. The handles and the lid are silicone-coated and heat-resistant up to 428 degrees, which is crucial for handling the pan safely after that intense heating process. Now, let us talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the biggest win is convenience. If you do not have a stove, this is arguably the best way to get a decent sear on your protein. It is incredibly easy to clean because of the non-stick coating and the fact that it is dishwasher safe. Plus, the included silicone oil brush is a nice touch, as it helps you distribute oil evenly for that perfect crust. On the flip side, you have to manage your expectations regarding the size. While 900 milliliters is decent for a single serving or a quick snack, you are not going to be cooking a feast for a family of 4 in this thing. It is a specialized tool for individuals, students, or those in limited living conditions. Also, because this relies on high heat, you need to be careful when removing it from the microwave, as it will be significantly hotter than a standard microwave-safe plate. In conclusion, if you are limited by your kitchen space but you are tired of everything tasting like it came out of a steamer, this microwave grill pan is a legitimate upgrade. It provides a level of texture and flavor that most microwave cookware simply cannot match. It is durable, easy to manage, and brings real searing power to a dorm room or office desk. It is a clever piece of engineering that solves a very specific, very common problem. Link in the description.